Welcome to Sydney. Today we are studying the Sydney Light Rail 4. The section we are examining today runs from the intersection of the Church Street and Macquarie Street to the intersection of the Smith Street and Macquarie Street. We will explore how street interface impact urban vitality. Before conducting fieldwork, this study builds upon key urban design theories to interpret how street interface shape urban vitality. Davey and Wood said the urban interface as a spatial and social field of negotiation, where visibility, permeability, and control mediate public and private interaction. There are 5 interface types represent varying degrees of openness and inclusion. Davey and Pavka emphasize permeability as a vital condition for spatial encounter, introducing the idea of an interface catchment, the total length of active edges accessible within walkable range. Further, the urban DMA model shows that urban vitality arises when this dimension coverage, producing walkable, inclusive, and socially engaging streetscapers. Looking back through history, I observed how different models of transportation has transformed the street interface, from the fragmented residential street of the 1943 to the vehicle-oriented street of the 2030, and now to the light rail-oriented street of today. The introduction of the light rail has infused this street with greater urban vitality compared to its motor vehicle-dominated past. After conducting field research, I discovered that this street has all types of street interface mentioned above, making it highly suitable for studying the impact of the street interface on urban vitality. Given the ongoing mature construction on the northern block, our research carries a certain sense of urgency. This currently enclosed interface will eventually transform into a new focal point of the street vitality. Focusing on the present, the street features multiple entrances along both sides, diverse building volume, and many glass facades. The light rail has caused some sunken area. The entire street operates as a mixed-use pedestrian and light rail zone. After multiple field research, I created a street heat map. From Church Street to the eastern section of the Macquarie Street have continuous fine granularity. Many shop entrances, high transparency, and diverse commercial functions. This section captures the highest interface engagement and boasts the greatest street vitality. The middle section of Macquarie Street features most are office building facade with express entries. Semi-transparent yet inaccessible, yet single-function natural reduce interface capture and weaken vitality. The high steps of the building setback transform active interface into the closed one. However, the light rail platform guide pedestrian, boosting street vitality in this segment. The west section near Smith Street features closed shops, vacant storefront, parking entrance with vehicle ramps, large-scale buildings, and a non-transparent facade. This segment exhibits the lowest interface capture and the weakest vitality. These findings align with Davey and Pavka's DMA framework, which means the high density plus functional mix plus multiple entries equal to the high walkability equal to the high street vitality. Urban vitality is not only determined by roadwise traffic condition or geographical location, but is shaped collectively by street interface transparency, entrance density, functional diversity, and interface capture capacity. Within the study area, the intersection of Church Street and Macquarie Street has the highest vitality due to its high interface granularity and functional diversity. Conversely, the vicinity of Smith Street, dominated by large office building and vehicle entrance, forms a distinct vitality cold spot, characterized by closed interface.